Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Michelle. I am a fashion and lifestyle content creator, and I would really love it if you would consider subscribing. If you haven't been following me here on my channel, I'm actually getting married this year, and Nate and I, my fiance, are kind of doing a more like budget-friendly wedding. There are a lot of things that we are doing ourselves, and one of those things is I will be doing my own hair. So since I've been wanting to do my own hair, I thought maybe I would get a nicer curling iron to use, and I do have a curling iron right now. I can't remember if it's a Conair or Revlon, but it's terrible, and I have used both of those brands multiple times heat tool wise in the past, and I'm pretty sure I have like a Revlon or a Conair flat iron that I've had for like 13 years. That has been like my tried and true. It has worked really well. But I just got this curling iron recently, and I've been complaining about it in my videos, the past couple of videos that I've done. It was $17, super affordable, and that's why I got it. I thought maybe it was me, but I was like, wow, this curling iron is just awful. And then I took it with me just recently on a trip with my friend, and she forgot her curling iron. So I was like, don't worry, I brought mine. She was using it, and she's like, Michelle, this is a terrible curling iron. I thought it was maybe me, and she's like, no. She's like, the fact that like at the end of the night or like within an hour our curls are already out, like that says a lot about the curling iron. And she's like, my curling iron, she's like, I curl my hair and I'll have curls till the next day. And I was like, I have never had curls to the end of the night with the curling iron I was using. So all that to say, I thought it would be best to invest in a nicer curling iron. So I asked on Instagram, see what people thought. A lot of people sent out their recommendations, and the number one that I saw that came from several hairdressers as well was the Bio Ionic curling iron. So that is what I got. This is the Bio Ionic. This is the long barrel styler, which I'm excited about because my hair, as you can tell, is pretty long. I've been growing it out for the wedding, and with the curling iron that I have now, I do have to wrap it a couple times, and it does take a while to curl my hair. Even though my hair is pretty fine and relatively straight, it does take a long time for me to curl it with like your standard curling iron. So a lot of people were recommending this one. I'm really excited. As far as like my level of like hair ability, I want to say I'm on the lower end of the spectrum as far as like capability. I hardly ever do hair. I always have my hair up, and I curl my hair only. I never do like updos. I don't really do braids too often, and I'm very like simple with my hair just because I'm just not the best like hair person. So this is coming from someone who's kind of like basic knowledge of hair. So I'm gonna open it up for you guys. This is what it looks like on the inside. It comes in a really nice like packaging here. Love that. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Also, I really loved the color of this one. There was a lot of curling irons that were like blue and different colors, and I just wanted something more aesthetically pleasing in my home. Like I wanted something that was just like all black and clean and nice looking. And so yeah, this is really nice. Everybody was complaining about this not being user friendly, that it was a little bit tough. Feels like a good resistance. Like it doesn't feel too loose. I hate when it's too loose and then like I lose the curl. This feels like a little bit tough maybe. I feel like it's okay. So we are gonna try this out and see what we think. Okay, we're gonna turn it on. It lights up. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to tell, but it lights up. So when you power it on, you hold down, and then I think when you add the plus or minus sign, it goes up the heat setting or down. So there is like a plus minus power. Once it lights up, the little numbers light up, and then you just plus and minus, and it'll light up the exact temperature that you would like to go to. I would like to go, I'm gonna do 280 actually. It's 250, 280, 320, 360, 390, and 430. Oh, it's already pretty warm. So it's literally been like not even 2 minutes, and that curling iron is already hot. Okay. So I know a lot of people have different methods where they curl their hair. Some people go every other way when they curl. I just always curl back. And as much as I would love to try out that new method, I feel like this is not the video to try something new. With a new curling iron that I'm trying out for the first time, I'd rather just curl my hair how I normally curl it. Oh, I'm gonna start towards the top or center, and then work my way up. Ooh, was so fast. I didn't leave it on for very long because I wasn't sure. Could definitely have left it on longer, or like if I went with the higher heat, I feel like my hair would curl in like seconds. I am loving this longer barrel. Like the fact that I have most of my hair, I love that. Okay. I know a lot of people divide their hair, but because my hair is so fine, I don't feel the need to like divide it in half. Oh my gosh, I cannot even believe all of my hair is on the barrel. That just makes me so happy. I feel like I definitely could go up one heat setting. So I think I might do that. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna go up one more. I think like I should definitely be at the 300 mark. I don't know what's standard. Whoa. We're gonna pump her up to 320. Okay, this is making me super happy. Just because it's so quick. I think the true test will be like once I brush it out. Okay, so it's very smooth. I would say be careful not to get too low because I think that your hair could get caught at this bottom part. If it's, I can't even believe that my hair is all in the barrel. I feel like if you have long hair, you would absolutely love this. Oh, I forgot that I went up with the heat, so I gotta keep that in mind. Wow, that curled so fast. I love this. I never get a curl this high. I feel like with your hair being long, it can, you know, weigh down the curls. So I feel like with my other, curling iron, my curl, especially towards the top, would never stay. This is so user-friendly. I think the pressure on the clamp is perfect. I'm very happy. Now, I did just wash my hair, so my hair is a little bit fuzzy, but that's definitely not the curling iron. That's just me. Okay, let's see. My curtain bangs have definitely grown out. I'm kind of liking the longer curtain bang anyways. I want to be able to tuck it behind my ear. So, but since my hair is so fine, it is nice to have those front like layered pieces. That way when I do my hair, kind of have more volume and it doesn't like drag down so much. Wow. Now this back piece here that I had like on the lighter setting, I am gonna go back into, just because that was the one I had at like 200. I'm gonna go back since I now have it on the 3. I think the 320 is perfect for my fine hair. Yeah, I'm gonna do this one as well. Okay. That was pretty fast compared to like what I've usually had to do. Wow. Okay, so we're gonna start on the other side. Wow, this is curling so fast. This is such an easy process. I feel like I could definitely, you know, obviously if I wasn't talking to a camera and had a whole setup, I could probably finish curling my hair in like less than, I don't know, 10 minutes. I could do it pretty quickly. Okay, did I miss any pieces? I feel like I did. Just a little baby hair back here. Also, I wonder if it would have been quicker if I was actually in front of a proper mirror since I'm sitting at my kitchen table. Okay, this is my curled hair. I haven't brushed out. I feel like I've got a little bit more ringlets on this side than this side because I think this side obviously has been sitting for a little bit. I think that these curls look really good. I'm gonna let this sit for a second so that way I can try and hold the curl, and then I'm gonna add some hairspray. I love it. I think it looks so good. I'm so happy with it. And I think like for the wedding day, I won't be curling my hair just like this, but I really, really love these curls. In fact, it's making me love having long hair a little bit. Definitely need to like get a proper brush it out a little bit, but I think it looks pretty good. So thoughts on this curling iron. I'm very excited to use it several more times this year and practice with it and kind of like practice doing the wedding hair that I plan on doing. I really love it. I think that if you have long hair, this is great. I think that my hair looks really shiny compared to other curling irons that I've used. It was incredibly fast, which is awesome. It's a huge like time saver. The fact that it like heats up so quickly. It's very easy to use. I love the pressure of the little clamp here. To me, like this is like a 10 out of 10. I really do love this. I will definitely see how long my curls last with this curling iron, but so far, I love it. I'm very excited. I really love the like actual size of the curls themselves, and I think that as the evening goes on, as they settle more, I think my hair will look really just like soft and curly, and yeah, I really love it. I highly recommend. I will leave a link down below for you guys. Well, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Let me know what you guys thought of the curls and how they turned out. If you guys have a curling iron that you actually really love, that's more affordable, more expensive, leave me a comment down below. I would love to know about some other amazing hot tools out there. Again, I would love it if you guys would consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.